Welcome to the Four Little Brothers, where boys learn to grow into kind and respectful young men. Every story teaches something important about respect, kindness, and being a good brother. So come learn with us, laugh with us, and grow with us every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a story.
This is a story of Leo and the truth that felt scary, a story of honesty among brothers. In a cozy night scene outside a house. The moon is shining. Warm yellow light from the window. The four brothers walking inside after playing.
Inside living room. A ball on the floor. A small table with a glass cup fallen and broken. Leo standing still, surprised. But sometimes, growing up means facing mistakes.
Oh no, I didn't mean to knock it over.
Our mother will be upset. She might, but what's worse, the mistake or hiding it? We all make mistakes.
Big brothers are brave, right?
You're right, I'll tell the truth. Mama, I broke the jug. I'm sorry.
Oh no, I hope you didn't get hurt.
No, Mommy.
It's okay, my dear.
Are you ready for some fun?
Yes!
And in that moment, Leo felt something stronger than fear.
Being a big brother means choosing truth, even when it's hard.
That's real strength.
I want to be brave too.
In tonight's lesson, a good boy chooses honesty.
Remember to teach your friends how to be honest by sharing our videos.